Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, my brand new F-150 right here, just bought it yesterday. So I'm just gonna give you a quick rundown. Today's gonna be a pretty short video because I don't really got a lot of time, but we're just gonna do a little bit of cleaning on it. So yeah, let's get in the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Like, subscribe, comment. It's an F-150 Limited. It has a 5.0. It has a new engine in it. The truck has 255 miles, 5,000 miles on it, and then the engine itself only has 110 maybe. So yeah, let's get into it. So as you can see in the video, this is the inside of it. It's an F-150 Limited, and it's pretty nice, but we got to clean it up. It needs some cleaning to do, but I got it for $6,000, and it was a steal. It has a Mustang engine in it, but I'll show you that here in a second. Let me pop the hood. Okay, so here it is. Here's the engine. There it is. That's the new engine that's in it right there. It's probably gonna need new batteries. I'm probably gonna put new air filters on it. And yeah, here's the engine right here. See how clean it is? Pretty clean truck. It's gonna need a lot of cleaning, which is gonna be in a different video where I actually have my phone, but that's besides the point. Nice V8 in it. 5.0. It's a GT 350 engine. It's not the 500, excuse me, but yeah, let's start cleaning. I'll show you before and after. It's a nice truck. I love this thing so much. So I just got out all the floor mats, so we're gonna clean those later, but now we're gonna get the shop vac and start vacuuming out everything. We're gonna start here and we're gonna work our way back and then to the other side, so let's do it. So I did the best I could to, get most of everything. Most of it's clean right now. We're gonna come in here later and make sure all the dirt and everything is gone off of it. So now it's onto the back seat. So we had to call in for some reinforcements here. We had to get the green machine, as my mom likes to call it. And yeah, so hopefully it can clean it out. It's not terribly dirty as it is right now, but still I'm just gonna make sure it's pristine. I tried the brush and the vacuum method, but it wasn't really working. So let's do it. All right, so if you need to take off your seats, right, there's 3 bolts right there, right there, right there. They need to come out. And then you take them down by just pressing this little spring down. It's a little locking mechanism. And this is for Ford's F-150s for 2009 up to 2014. They all have the same thing, basically, and they all come down like that. And there's a way to put a key ring on this thing. There's a way to put a key ring on this thing to make it way easier to come out. But literally, you reach behind it, and it's right here, and you just push down, and it pops right out. It's really easy. So there you go. There's your tutorial today. So here you go. As you can see, look how clean everything is. It looks really good in the back here. What do you guys think? Drop it down in the comments. But yeah, so since we did this, now it's time to go into the front. God dang, that sun is bright. But yeah, we got the front to do. We still got a little bit more touch-ups to do, as you can see back in there. But yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so we got this whole seat done. Most of it. I still got to clean up all the dirt on the sides, but I'm waiting to do that last. Now it's time just to work on this area right here, Basically about it. Right now I just got... So this thing came with its own Dawn dish soap for some reason. They just left Dawn dish soap in here. So my mom gave me this putty that dusts this stuff and gets in tiny cracks and crevices. So yeah, we're gonna clean all this up and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. So I just finished the inside of the driver door. So now I'm gonna power wash these off, or just wash them off because they're really dirty right now, so they can get clean and start drying before the sun goes down. So here's what it looks like after cleaning it. It just has some scratches on it, which are gonna be easy to get off, but I still gotta do some more cleaning. But this is just not the final product, but it's pretty clean up in here. Wow, after those pedals dried, I figured out that I still got a lot more dirt to get off, but that's what it looks like right now. Right now I'm gonna take the seat off because the power seat is blown, or something messed up with it, I don't really know. So I'm gonna take it out and look at it. So, all right, so basically, I've been trying to get underneath this seat to get it took off because both power steering. Well, the passenger seat power steering. It's our power steering, power seating. The power seats, they're messed. It's fine over there on the passenger side. This one is messed up. Like I'm pressing the buttons right now, nothing's moving. So we got to try to get. We were just in the fuse box. Nothing happened. We were trying to fix it. There was no blown fuses. So we think it's something underneath this. So right now I'm gonna try to get all this taken out, and I think that might be the last thing we're doing today. I don't know. I'll check back up with y'all later. All right, so there's that door done right there. It's all clean, and then I just did the door frame. Well, besides the water seal thing, but everything else is pretty clean. There's the door. Looks really nice. Looks really good. I love this wood panel. So let's go do the other side over there. You can already see how dirty it is. Well, actually, I'm gonna do these seats real quick, and then we're gonna go to the other side. Here we go. The seats covered in soap. So let's clean them off. So then I'll go over there and do the other side. But let's do it. So there is the seat right there. There's the driver's seat right there. It looks really good. So now time to move it on the center console. This is gonna be disgusting, but I'll show you it real quick. The center console. That's how dirty it is. Up there. So yeah, that's how dirty it is. So let's get to cleaning. What the frick is going on out there? But yeah, we got some cleaning to do in here. So let's get to it. So there's the center console done. Everything's clean. Well, the back side of it. I still got to do the front side. Everything's clean. Those are all clean. Everything's clean on it. So now time to move on to the passenger seat. All right, so just finished over there. Now we're on this side. I just put soap on the outside of the door. Wow, that's really messed up, that seal. I need to put some glue on that, fix it up. But yeah, now I gotta do this door and the back of that seat, and I'll show you guys when I'm done. All right, so I got everything clean on this. A lot of these are just scratches, everything. That floor thing's still dry, but now, okay, well, I'm kind of missing something. I'll come back and get it. But now it's time to go up here and close that door. Now I got this going. I just cleaned the seat. Forgot to record a video. But this is going to be a dirty one. So I'm going to make sure this one looks good. So I'll show you guys when I'm done. All right. So I am done cleaning the seats and the interior. These are all scratches, bro. It's pretty bad. Yeah, Arizona tea. But the door, I kind of only did the top off. I'll do the other half some other day. I mean, I'm not done. I still got over there to finish. I still got the interior, but my girlfriend's going to come over here and do the rest. But I'm going to try to take the seat out so we can get underneath it and check the power steering and everything. So, yeah, we got a couple projects. We got a little bit to go, so let's get into it. So, you know, we're in the truck right now, so let's get it. Heck yeah, baby. So this is what it looks like before, and we're gonna take this taillight out and see what it looks like after. So this is the broken taillight. Bulbs are both out of it. This is the other one. So let me go get the box and I'll show you it. All right, so here we go. Here's a box from TYC Automotive Lamps. It's actually just from AutoZone, but because I'm gonna put different headlights into it right now, but here's what it looks like right out of the box. So yeah, now I gotta figure out how to take this thing off, and I'll talk to you when I take this taillight out. Okay, so first we gotta take out this bolt and this bolt right here, because I think that's what connects to it. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna take them out and see, but it's a 5/16, so let's do it. Okay, so we got the taillight out, and literally all you gotta do is take these three out. They literally push, they just pull out and you just wiggle it. Now time to put the new one on there. So here we go. Alright, that looks so much better, guys. Oh yeah. I mean, just gotta clean. I'm gonna clean all this stuff when I detail it. But yeah, dude, that looks so freaking good. Look at that thing. Brand new. I already got it all dirty. It was super easy. You just pop in place in there. That bulb was the most hardest thing to put in there in my life. But let's go see if they work real quick. Well, there's the turn signal that works. So yeah, I'm gonna test it all out, and then we're gonna go in the interior and fix the radio. Okay, so last night I forgot to show you how I fixed the radio. So what I had to do was pop both these out. So they're just all plastic clips in there, right? So I watched like 20 YouTube videos how to do this. You have to pop both of these out just a little bit, far enough to where you can take these out. Well, then this mat has to come off, and there's 2 bolts underneath it. That was super easy. And then you had to disconnect everything, get this pulled off. But then there's a green wire that hooks up to the Bluetooth. And this used to be grayed out, like to where you can't click on it. So many people have this problem. What you got to do is just get back there, hook the green wire up to like a screw or something with a connector, and it was really easy. Like, okay, it might have took 6 hours for me to figure out and do, but I also restarted like twice because I got mad and almost broke everything. But yeah, and now everything's working. Everything was put back normally, and now it works. And all you had to do was hit this little reset button, like with a knife or something, or I don't know, like a tiny screwdriver. But yeah, there we go. There's a tech tip of the day. So now time to get on some more work or find something else to do. I don't know. Hey y'all, so that will be the end of today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you to everyone that has supported the channel. We've made it to 1,900 subscribers in less than like 6 months. So like, thank you to everybody that's supporting me. Make sure to drop a comment how you think of this video. I'm sorry that I don't upload very often. It's like maybe once every 2 weeks, maybe even that. I used to only upload once a month, but now I'm starting to get better and start to have more time to record since I'm not working as much. But when we get back in the spring, close to summer, I won't be able to post as much. I'll be able to post shorts for you, but not as much long-term videos, just because I won't have time. I'll try my best. I'm going to try my best to make sure I have time for everything. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment. You know the drill. Go check out all the other videos. Let me know how I did in this video. So stay tuned for the rest of this build. So see you guys later. Peace.